Right, legends, I thought I just had to do an emergency video about this. I'm in an airport right now waiting for a flight to get back to Dubai, but I thought I had to do a video because this is extremely interesting what's going on right now from the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME group. The dealers, guys, I've been speaking about the dealers on this channel for years, and we timed an incredible short at 48k in the last bear market, and when the dealers went massively short and they got into a directional play, the price of Bitcoin actually nuked all the way down to $15,000. So this is one of those moments, guys. This is something to really, really look at and take an account for this, because this is really, really, really big in terms of the amount of longs the dealers have just added onto the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and the dealers are the liquidity providers. Guys, if you go back a year, you can see that this is the biggest amount of open positions ever on this exchange from the dealers going back a year. I think you can go back 3 years. It's going to be the same data. It's an absolute, look, it's insane. Double the amount of shorts on the long side right now. I'm going to keep it onto the 6 month just because this is kind of, the last 6 months has been completely flat, massive jump. What does this mean? It means basically that the dealers are now taking a directional long bet that Bitcoin is going to rise in price. Okay, so the dealers have a very good hit rate. The asset managers don't. I've been saying this for months, guys. When the asset managers begin to freak out, taper off, and get bored, look, how long have the fucking asset managers been long for? It goes on for years. It goes longer than 9 months, actually. And they've just recently reduced a lot of their long exposure with a little bit of spread added to it. It's like, just take this into account. I've been saying this for months. This is very, very good. The dealers have flipped, and now they are directionally long, with the asset manager reducing longs. And I said what we want to see for the coast to be clear. Let's just make this. I don't want to, because the price of Bitcoin can on the very short term obviously retrace a little bit. I'm not saying that right as of today, this second, it's going to suddenly go up in the gold candle. I'm just saying that now we have pretty much 3 or 4 different parameters that I look at on this channel, all pointing for the direction that yes, there is a lot of confluence here saying that the price of Bitcoin is likely going to end the range it's in. There might be some volatility in the next couple of weeks, especially with the election, etc., like that. But if the dealers are going to stay at this direction at longs, it's very unlikely that we're going to see a significant pullback in the price of Bitcoin or going into some sort of bear market. The cards of a bear market are very, very low right now. Coming, like, say, Bitcoin falling below 45, 40, going down to like the 42k region, which we've been speaking about. It's very unlikely, guys. And this is massive direction. And you can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin has actually broken out some key levels, and we are actually retesting the all-time high levels. We can see on this indicator, guys, auto charting tools have been using this for years. This is the last literal level for Bitcoin to get above. Obviously, I haven't got like full charts up right now, because obviously I'm just sitting in an airport right now, guys. Also, the trading bot, the MDX Trading Bot, guys, has caught this move. That's the whole reason I built this, to catch the big swings. It's the insurance policy. It's already up 9%, so that's another great trade. Obviously, you guys can get access to that from mdxalgo.com. And obviously, Trendmaster, guys, is already in along as well. So it's right now, guys, with this, the price of Bitcoin's coming up to its all-time high. The dealers have, what they're probably doing is they're identifying that there's some sort of break of structure here, which we've been speaking about. And now, yes, there could be some short-term volatility. Of course, I'm not saying it can't drop another 5% on the on the daily time frame, but it's very unlikely, guys, that we're going to be looking at breaking these levels and going into a substantial bear market with the dealers exposing themselves to the long side. That's directional, very, 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 very directional. Okay, and this is what we want to be seeing. Like I said before, when the stars align on this, and we do see the dealers begin to get long and the asset managers pull back, that's what's crack-a-lackin', legends. This is what. Is what we want to see for another feather in the cap for the bulls. And I do think, guys, I just did a tweet about this. Go onto this Twitter. I'm actually going to give away. You've got the explanation now, so go whack the explanation on this tweet. But I'm going to give away some Bitcoin, some of my crypto as well. And guys, in terms of trading this, I've been looking for some no KYC exchanges. I'll put a couple links in the description. Actually, I've found some really nice non-KYC exchanges for this next market cycle and this next market run. On the list is PrimeXBT. I found obviously Bingx. I'll put some links below, guys. I would, if you're looking for no KYC, get a PrimeXBT account right now, because PrimeXBT have just updated their UI and they got some really good volume coming in, and I do think they're a pretty safe bet for no KYC legends out there. But guys, massive thing here. Asset managers as well, like we said, have been tapering down, and these are the stars are aligning, guys. In the comments below, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think is crack-a-lack. And I just want to get loads of engagement on this video, guys, because it's really important. The more you guys engage on this video in the comments, the more people are going to get excited. And then more people are going to look at Bitcoin and get actually interested again coming out of this range-bound part. So lots of comments below, guys. Just tell me what you think about this chart. I'll do a giveaway as well. I'll give an MDX Algo subscription away, a lifetime one, which is worth like 3K. And I'll give away some crypto. Just go to just like it, comment, all that kind of jazz, guys. But massive, really, really good sign, guys, from the bulls. Let's fucking do this. Happy hey presto. I'll be back in Dubai tomorrow. See you on the flippy.